Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable random hardware addresses for Wi-Fi on Windows 11. Windows 11 lets you enable random hardware addresses to improve Wi-Fi privacy and security. When your computer scans for networks, it sends its MAC address, which can be used to track your location. Random hardware addresses, that is also known as MAC address randomization, make tracking harder by generating changing addresses. You can enable this feature for a specific or all networks. Here is how to do. First, click on this one start button. After that, click on this one settings. Otherwise, you can press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open this one settings app. Now in the left sidebar, click on this one network and internet option. On the right, click on this one Wi-Fi tile. Here you can select your particular network, Wi-Fi network that is connected to your PC, and you want to enable random hardware addresses. Just select this one option. After that, scroll down and here you will find random hardware addresses. Here you can click on this one menu, drop down menu, and choose. You can choose here on or change daily. This will change hardware addresses, and you can, if you want to disable, just choose this one off option. And in case you want to enable random hardware addresses for all networks, again go back to this one network and internet option. After that, click on this one Wi-Fi tile. Under Wi-Fi tile you will find this one random hardware addresses. Just turn on or off this one toggle switch according to your choice to enable or disable random hardware addresses for all the Wi-Fi networks. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.